Yeah, early days yet, Leslie. We are, though, seeing the leading edge of what could grow into a bigger impact from the Omicron wave, depending upon how different industries, governments, individuals, and regions react. And we know there are differences. TSA passenger traffic has begun to edge down, according to the barometer. Now stands 18% below the level for the same weekday in 2019. That's what we're comparing it to now. Consumer spending measured by JP Morgan Chase credit cards above the level of the prior 2 years, but stands 2 points below the level of spending relative to the day before Thanksgiving. Meanwhile, the Jefferies U.S. economic activity, too early for it to pick up any weakness across the entire economy, and it continues to rise, interestingly. So as of Thanksgiving, air traffic had recovered to the point where it stood just 10% below 2019. So the 7-day average calculated by CNBC now registers 18% lower, so it appears that some travelers may have had second thoughts. The U.S. was off to a strong holiday spending start, but it soon began to lag behind post-Thanksgiving increases that we saw in 2020 and 2019. So there could yet be a surge, but that 2019 headline line relative to Black Friday or just before it is lagging below. And while the Jefferies index is up, you can see here, this is a great chart. It shows the big drop came with the onset of the virus in the spring of 2020. That's on the left side, the deep V there on the left. Then move to the middle, a shallower drop with the outbreak last winter, and then move to the right there. The shallowest of all was the Delta outbreak in the summer. So what do people think? The hope is that this trend of lower economic impacts continue. A couple keys here. One, whether employers, remember they struggled to bring on workers, whether they're reluctant to fire, that would lessen the economic impact. Another key, all the stuff Meg's talking about, if vaccinated Americans will only take more risks than they have in the past. Finally, the U.S. is going to face this wave with, for now at least, without a big influx of federal money. Leslie?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.